Good day everyone! Welcome back to our math class, Halina't Matuto. Once again, I'm Mrs. Maria Ellen M. Lucito, your math teacher. As we're going through this, you are expected to multiply and divide polynomials using laws of exponents. So we are done in multiplying polynomials. So this time, let us learn how to divide polynomials. So when dividing polynomials, you're going to rewrite the expression by breaking it up based on the number of terms in the numerator. After breaking up the expression, simplify each term. Let's have this review. So divide the following. I'll give you 10 seconds. Again, you can pause and play this video. You can apply the laws of exponent. You have to break this numerator into 6x over 3, then minus 15y over 3, as well as this number or expression 7a squared over a minus ab over a. Then apply the laws of exponent. So what will be the quotient? Let's check your answers. So we have 161 divided is 23. Then 12.18 divided by 2.1 is 5.8. Then 6x minus 15y all over 3 is 2x plus 5y. And 7a minus ab divided by a is 7a minus b. I hope nakuha niyo yung tamang sagot. So, in dividing polynomials, as what I have said, you have to break it up. So, as you can see, we have here a binomial. 10x over 2 plus 6 over 2. We break this binomial. 10x, then divide the numerical coefficient. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then copy the variable. Plus, then 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, your answer is 5x plus 3. 15y cubed plus 6y squared minus 3y. Break it up. Yan. Parang yun ang term natin for this session. Break it up or break up. Paghiwa-hiwalayin. Ayun. Maghiwalay. Yun. Break up. No? Masakit yata ang makipag-break. You know? Umuhugot si ma'am. Since there are 3 terms, it is trinomials. Break it up, we have 15y cubed over 3y plus y squared over 3y minus 3y over 3y. By simplifying, 15 divided by 3 is 5. Then, subtract the exponent. Our answer must be 5y squared plus 2y minus 1. What if we need to divide polynomials by another polynomials? So using long division, these are the steps. First step, write the dividend in standard form including the terms with coefficient of 0. So kung walang exponent, it must be written in descending order. Dapat pababa yung exponent. Kung may missing term, maglagay kayo ng 0 para hindi kayo nalilito. Step 2, write division in the same way you would when dividing numbers. Then step 3, divide. Then step 4, write the final answer. Let's have this first example. Using long division, we have negative y squared plus 2y cubed plus 25. So as you can see, the terms are not arranged in descending order. So dapat mauna yung 3. Pababa dapat 3, 2, 1 or hanggang sa last term na or yung constant. So, paano yun? Step 1, write the dividend in standard form. Okay, so we have 2y cubed minus y squared plus 0y. So, katulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, pag kulang, you write 0 plus 25. Okay, so, pansinin nyo, we have 3, 2, then 1 dito na exponent, diba? So, dahil kulang siya, maglagay ka ng 0. para makompleto mo yung terms. So we have 2y cubed minus y squared plus 0y plus 25. Next step, right? Division in the same way you would when dividing numbers. Okay, next, divide. So, we have 2y cubed. Ito muna, 2y cubed. Divide natin sa first term dito. So, write 2y squared above 2y cubed. We subtract the exponent, diba? 3 minus 1, that is square. So, 2y cubed over y. 2y cubed over y is 2y squared. So, itatapat mo dito. Okay? Next, i-multiply. Para ka lang nag-divide ng numbers. Multiply natin dito sa y minus 3. 2y squared times y, that is 2y cubed. 2y squared times negative 3 is negative 6y squared. So, in division, you must to change the sign of the subtrahend. Diba ganun yun? So, we have, so, this must be cancelled. Ito. Then, like sign, magiging positive to, magiging unlike sign. Change. Negative, positive becomes negative, negative becomes positive. So, magkaiba na lang sign. So, subtract, then copy the sign of the bigger absolute value. So, may 1 dyan. It has an imaginary, di ba? Or matic, it is understood that it has 1. So, magiging 5y squared plus 0y. Bring down 0y. Then 5y over y or 5y squared divided by y is 5y. Then again, repeat the process. Multiply 5y by y minus 3. So we have 5y squared minus 15y. Again, change the sign. So this becomes negative 5y. So makakancel to. Okay? Then magiging positive to. So, 0y plus 15y. So, that is 15y. So, inuunahan na ako ng PowerPoint. 15y. Then, bring down positive 25. Again, 15y. I-divide natin sa y. So, makakancel ang y. So, we have 15. So, we have positive 15. Repeat the process. Multiply it to your divisor. So, we have 15y minus 45. Change the sign. Then, add. So, unlike sign, subtract. Like sign, add. So, the final answer. So, find the remainder. The remainder is 70. Then, write it. Write it. Or write the final answer. So, we have 2y squared plus 5y plus 15 plus 70 over y minus 3. So, as you can see, the remainder is 70. On its denominator, you must write the divisor. Y minus 3. Ayun, y minus 3. So, this is the final answer. 2y squared plus 5y plus 15 plus 70 over y minus 3. Again, let's have another example. So, we have yan, set up. Then, yan. Next, multiply. Okay. Then we have change the sign. Subtract. Repeat the process. Okay. Okay, so this means x squared plus 7x minus 30 divided by x minus 3 is x plus 10. Let's have another example. So again, set up your so we have to rewrite this into descending order. So we have 3, 2, 1, then the constant. And our divisor is x plus 2. Divide the first term to the first term of your divisor. X cubed divided by x, applying the laws of exponent, and write the quotient on top of the term that has the same exponent. Multiply it to your divisor. X squared times x cubed. X squared times 2, that is 2x squared. Subtract. Change the sign. So, negative. Ito magiging negative. So, cancel mo na ito. Then we have negative 2x squared plus x. Bring down x minus 2. Ito naman ang i-divide natin yung 2x squared. Negative 2x squared divided by x. Or negative 2x squared over x, that is negative 2x. Ilalagay natin dito. X, multiply this to our divisor, negative 2x squared, negative 2x times 2, that is negative 4x. Then subtract, change the sign. This becomes positive. Ito magiging positive, so maka-cancel to. So we have 5x, bring down negative 2. Next, 5x naman. 5x over x. 5x over x, cancel mo ang x. See, 1, 1, that is 0. So 5 na lang. So 5. You write 5 here. Positive 5. Then repeat the process. Multiply it to this. So we have 5x plus 10. Then, subtract. Change the sign of this. We have negative 10. Negative 2 plus negative 10 is negative 12. So, the remainder is negative 12. Then, write your final answer. So, our final answer is x squared minus 2x plus 5. Then, we have the remainder, negative 12. Negative 12. Then, your divisor is over x plus 2. And, your final answer is x squared minus 2x plus 5 minus 12 over x plus 2. The remainder is negative 12. So, yun lang yung lalagyan nyo ng divisor na x plus 2. Okay, so next, you try this one. So, you can pause and play this video. Let's have another example. So we have 2x cubed minus x squared plus 2x minus 3 divided by x minus 1. If your terms are not in descending order, you must rewrite this into descending order. Then write 0 terms if there is a missing term. So since wala naman, that is 3, 2, 1, then the constant, then you can divide. Divide the first term to the first term. So that is 2x cubed over x. So write 2x squared. Then we have, get the product of this to your divisor. So we have 2x cubed plus 2x squared. Then subtract. Then repeat the process. Then write negative 3x at the top of your same variable. So we have then multiply, then subtract, paulit-ulit lang, di ba? Then subtract. Okay, write your final answer. So we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 1. The remainder is negative 4. So it must be over your divisor, which is x minus 1. Let's have another example. Again, divide the first term to the first term, subtract the exponent, then write this on the top of this x, 3x. Okay? So, kung saan, paano mo malalaman kung saan itatapat? Kung nasaan yung kaparehong variable. Okay? So, dito mo ilalagay ang syempre. Okay? So, we have 3x. Then, multiply it to your divisor. 3x squared. Okay. So, we have 3x. Then, subtract. Change the sign. change the sign. Yan. So, we have negative x squared. Just bring it down. Ito, we have 3x. So, papalitan mo na sign. Subtract. So, x then bring down. Let us continue. So, negative x squared. I-divide natin sa x squared. Okay. So, we have negative 1. Negative 1 times x squared plus 1. Negative x squared. Negative 1. So, itatapat mo. Okay? Then, change the sign. Then, subtract. Then, add. After you change the sign, then you add. Okay? So, we have x. So, that is the remainder. X. So, your final answer must be 3x. 3x minus 1 plus, because x is positive, so we have plus. Whatever the sign of your remainder, that is the sign here. Ano? So, 3x minus 1 plus x over x squared plus 1. Again, yung remainder lang ang lalagyan nyo ng over. Okay, your turn. You can pause and play. Then, you check whether you got the correct answer. Okay, so as what I have said, you can break it up since the divisor is monomial. Okay, so the quotient is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. So kung meron kayong tanong, huwag mahiyang magtanong. Basahin ang weekly home learning plan at hindi lahat ay sasagutan. Okay, so thank you very much. Stay blessed and healthy. Bye!